welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl KnoKno Fury, and I'm coming back to you guys with another video. In today's video I'm going to be going over my first retwist on my lock extensions as well as a lock update. I have a lot to fill you guys in on my hair. Am I going to keep these in? Who knows? If you want to find out more about my lock journey and how it's been going, then watch this video all the way to the end. So I'm literally just going to get straight into it. For the gel I'm going to be using the Urban Hydration Honey Laden Slate gel. It looks like this. Got it from Sally Beauty. I'm also going to be using the Texture ID Dry Hair and Scalp Relief Soothing Scalp Mist. It looks like this. And then also I'm just going to be using like some regular alligator clips. All products in this video, if I can't find them, you know, I'm sorry, but other than that, they'll be linked down below in the description box. Right. So I'm literally just going to spray, retwist, and then clip. This isn't going to be like a thorough tutorial. So let's get in on my hair growth. My hair has grown quite a bit with these lock extensions. It's been literally a month. I know my last update that I told you guys about, it was only like maybe 3 weeks ago, two weeks ago, but I didn't really upload exactly when I put them in. I had them in for like at least a week and a half before I uploaded it to YouTube. So yeah, I had them in for a while. So literally tomorrow it would be a month. The last time I did try lock extensions with my real hair, I only lasted like a month and a half. The only reason why I'm retwisting so soon is because my new growth is just so bad, you guys. And like I told you guys in my last video, when I did my hair with the permanent lock extensions, I let my back dry completely under the dryer, but not the top. So my top is just like super duper frizzy. So yeah, I gotta retwist these like ASAP. I would say that I have about maybe like an inch, maybe a ½ inch of new growth. Probably no more than that, really. The reason why I'm not doing this on washed hair is because some of the locks still aren't like locked completely, and I don't want any of them to like slip out, because then I'm gonna be pissed. So yeah, I'd rather just retwist them this way. And plus it'll be like faster drying time, because I absolutely hate sitting under the dryer. Worst experience ever. So I really want to update you guys as well on this hair. I got this hair from locksanity.com. She also has an Etsy shop. The hair in my head is 100% human hair. It's kinky afro hair that I literally just locked up. I don't know, where is it? With my crochet needle. This hair so far is literally amazing. You really can't even tell that they're not really my hair. I do kind of not like that the hair is so brown. That's personally my fault, because I chose the color natural because I didn't want them to be too black. So I knew it was a risk that they would come out super duper brown. But I'm not mad at it, but it just gets annoying sometimes, especially like in the sunlight. But other than that, this hair is literally like so bomb and worth the money. Like, I spent like $130 on this hair, and it didn't make my neck break out. It looks so natural. I've had people tell me that actually have real locks tell me that these look like real locks. Like, a lot of people have been asking me how long I've been growing my locks, and I'm just like, like, you know. But a lot of people just told me that they look really real. So I'm just like, yeah, this hair super duper bomb. I'll also put the link down below to this exact hair that I bought for the people that are interested. This hair also hasn't been like coming apart or anything. Like, literally they've been staying literally solid as like an actual lock. Like, they haven't fallen apart or anything like that. No sticking together. They're actually look like real locks. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I can't wait to see how my hair looks after I've done retwisting it. As for any slipping out, I have had some slip out on me, and that's due to my own fault, due to my own technique. I told you guys that I am not a loctician. I'm not 100%, you know, all about locks. I just know how to retwist them. I know how to interlock them. I'm not like a loctician or anything, but a couple of them have slipped out due to me not leaving them alone. Also due to I don't know, like I haven't woken up to them like in my pillow, like on my bonnet or anything. It's more so like me running my fingers through them and constantly, like, I don't know, I always have my hands in them, and that's what would make them like come out. But I just crochet them right back in. Literally some of them are like kind of already like locked a little bit. But yeah, the slipping hasn't really bothered me as much because, like I said, I can just put them right back in. I don't have to go to someone to do my hair. I can do it myself. As for like my overall head though, my hair overall is not locked. It's not even like close to mature locks. Like, I have a very, very long journey with that to go. My hair probably won't even be like fully maturely locked for like 6 months. So I'm just, you know, loving the process, dealing with the process. I probably, no, more than likely I'm not going to retwist my hair again for another month and a half. Like I said, the only reason I'm doing this now is because when I retwisted my hair the first time, I didn't let my hair dry all the way, so it's like really, really bad at the top and I can't take it. Like, it's to the point where it's irritating me. So yeah, but I can't wait for when my hair can get like an actual bun or ponytail. That is gonna be so lit. My little lock bun, little lock ponytail. I'm glad that I made them this thick, like smaller locks. I mean, they're cute on other people, but I just feel like they wouldn't be my ideal lock style. I always liked the freeform look locks. The locks that are like more thick, I really, really like them. They're really pretty. Because they are so thick, I know some people are going to ask me, why did I choose to palm roll twist, like twist them, versus interlocking, which is using a crochet needle with a latch. Like, the retwisted look better, and then plus if you do the interlock method too much, it can make your hair, like your locks, thin out, and I really don't want that. It's just never been like my preference. I like the retwisting. I don't mind the messy, not messy look, but like I don't mind like the, I don't want to say wild because that's so negative, but I don't mind the ungroomed look. I think it looks really pretty. I just wanted to, you know, fix my top a little bit more. But the interlock, I just feel like I don't want to risk my hair thinning out, because I did have an appointment with the actual loctician to get my hair locked, and she told me during a consultation, she told me that you have to either choose to either have your locks crochet, like interlocked, or retwisted. You can't do both, because if you constantly keep going back and forth between one or the other, your locks will get lumpy, and that's something that I don't want. That can also cause your locks to thin out as well. I will wash my locks in probably the middle of next month, just to, I don't know, because I haven't washed my hair in like more than a month. I know that sounds so gross on camera, but that's part of the process when it comes to locking your hair. If you keep constantly washing your hair, your locks will unravel. So I did my lock extension process actually on dirty hair. It wasn't like super duper dirty, like I had like dandruff and shit. It was just like oily kind of. But I'll probably wash my hair like in the middle of next month. I'm not like dying to wash it, to be honest. My hair doesn't stink. Just want to make that clear. It doesn't stink. It smells good. And it doesn't itch. I've been using like, they say you're not supposed to because of the buildup, but I don't really care. Sulfur 8. Sulfur 8 has literally been like my best friend. I love me some Sulfur 8 just because my scalp loves it. So my lock goals are literally, honestly, so simple. I just want to be able to put them in a ponytail or a bun. I don't really care about like super long length. I don't really care about that. I like that my hair is thriving without me touching it really. I just want to be able to put my hair in a bun, because sometimes these bad boys do get hot. So yeah, and I'm not too thrilled about feeling how heavy these are after I wash them for the first time. Not really looking forward to that, but I'll deal with it. But those are really my only lock goals right now. Just being able to put them in a ponytail or a bun, and then also, you know, having them healthy. Just not having my hair thin out. I think that's like one of my biggest fears. I just really don't want my hair to thin out. The only cons I can think about really with these is, honestly, I don't really have any. The only con was just like putting them in. It took so long to put them in, but I mean, other than that, I've been loving them. I don't have to touch my hair. My hair is natural. My hair is beautiful. As these grow out, I do plan to cut them. I don't know when I'll start doing that, but that is the plan. But yeah, you guys, I'm literally just going to speed through me retwisting the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to come back after I come from the dryer. So this is my hair, completely dry. It's not the best retwist, but it's good enough. Definitely more than got the job done. I do have like a white cast on my hair, and that happened last time, but it eventually went away. I'm just gonna finish off by spraying my hair with some OGX Nourishing Coconut Oil Mist. Looks like this. I like using this because, I don't know, I just like the way it smells, so I'm not gonna spray too much. Alright, you guys, that's for retwisting my hair. Looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, stay period.